Speed and spell.
Do you know what are the processes of our clear drinking water? Here is Bang Khen Water Treatment Plant, the major mechanism in the production of standard water supply. Water supply in Thailand was originated on the 14th of November 1914 under the royal initiative of King Rama V or King Chulalongkorn. It was founded as the Metropolitan Water Works on the 16th of August 1967. Nowadays, the Metropolitan Water Works Authority operates and maintains 4 water treatment plants. The first plant is Bang Khen Water Treatment Plant. The second, Mahasawat Water Treatment Plant. The third, Sam Sen Water Treatment Plant. And the latest one, Thonburi Water Treatment Plant. Raw water comes from 2 sources. The first source is from the Chao Phraya River. The water intake point called Samlae Raw Water Pumping Station is located near Wat Samlae, Tambon Ban Krachang, Pathum Thani Province. The second source is from the Maeklong River. The water intake point is located in Tha Muang District, Kanchanaburi Province. Bang Khen Water Treatment Plant is fully equipped with all necessary facilities as followed. Raw water pumping station, chemicals feeding system, clarification, filtration, treated water reservoir for disinfection, transmission and distribution system. Beginning with raw water system. Bang Khen Water Treatment Plant receives raw water from Samlae Raw Water Pumping Station via Prapa Canal undergoing natural purification, rendering it better quality water. The quality of raw water is better. An aerator is used in order to upgrade production quality before sending raw water to the plant. After that, raw water will be pumped from the canal through coarse and fine screens respectively through the raw water pumping station prior to entering the clarification process. Chemicals feeding system. Raw water will be treated by feeding line in order to adjust the level of acidity and alkalinity or pH of the water. Chlorine is fed in order to eliminate monocell algae and bacteria. After raw water has been fed, pre-treatment chemicals, alum, is feeding for flocculation in the clarification process. While in the pipe, it will become turbulent flow in order to allow the chemicals to mix well with water. Clarification system. After raw water has been fed with chemicals, it then flows into the clarification tanks. If water is too murky, polymer will be added at the center of the clarification tank in order to accelerate the clarification process. It is made turbulent so that the sludge will flocculate and mix with the old sludge. Raw water will be pushed out through the lower part of the tank. Sludge in great quantity will be pushed down to the center of the tank. A scraper machine is used to scrape the sludge to the bottom of the tank. After it accumulates into a large quantity, the sludge will be drained to sludge lagoon. Clear water will be pushed to upper of the tank, collected in launders and flow further to the filtration process. Filtration system. Filtration at Bang Khen Water Treatment Plant is rapid filtration. There are 48 filter tanks. Each filter tank has capacity of 100,000 cubic meters per day per tank. Raw water, after having undergone through sludge flocculation process, will flow through two filtration substances: a layer of anthracite, a layer of sand. There are nozzles under these dual media layers. Once the efficiency of the filtration reduced, filter will be cleaned. Air and water will blow up from the bottom of the filter tank to allow the filtration substances to crash against each other, removing the silt from the surface of the filtration substances and washing it away with clean water. We call this the backwash process. Treated water reservoir for disinfection and clear water storage system. Filtered water will flow into clear water reservoirs. The last step is to feed chlorine into the clear water storage tanks for water disinfection. Lime is fed one more time to improve the quality of water. Transmission and distribution system. Water from clear water storage tanks will be pumped out by the transmission pumping station and transmitted through large-sized pipes and tunnels, which will send water to the terminal stations, scattering at various points in Bangkok and the vicinity. It will then be pumped out by distribution pumping station and distributed to users near the Bang Khen pumping station. The station can control water treatment process, transmission and distribution to users' automation system, centralized at the central control room with officials on 24-hour duty. Regarding quality control, Metropolitan Waterworks Authority supervises every step of treatment and production. Water samples are collected for inspection every 4 hours. Natural biomonitoring, providing measurement and surveillance against contaminants in water is conducted, using white carbs sensitive to contaminants in raw water. The system is connected with closed-circuit television, signals and computer to display real-time picture. With certified standards of production in every process, you can be certain of the quality in every drop of water supplied by the Metropolitan Waterworks Authority.